Oh, it's such a cool plate.
Yeah.
Subaruh.
Yeah.
Subaru.
Subaru.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we got my boy Austin here. About to swap out his emblems. Don't melt the shit out of it though.
So see that rock chip?
Oh, it's a rock chip?
Yeah.
So yeah, just heat it towards this corner and then you should be able to start picking at it with that joint.
Bass and sound, get up, get down with the bass and sound. Get up, down with the bass and sound. Get up, down with the bass and sound.
Let me see the one, your badge. This one. So we went with the glow in the dark.
Liking this Sunday morning Subaru Club stuff over here, man.
Yeah?
It's good. This is good stuff.
Yeah. Did you see that new one over
Oh,
there?
of course. Oh, of course. Yeah.
I vinyl wrapped that one.
You did? You vinyl wrapped it?
Yeah, I did
Oh,
that
you
one.
did. You do vinyl wrap.
That's our friends over there, Nate's. So
Yeah?
this is vinyl wrap too.
Oh, it is? That's
Yeah.
That's such a gorgeous color.
Thanks.
I'd never seen that color before.
Yeah, they call it gloss light pistachio.
The one that was here last week, the Subaruh, that was that same color, wasn't it? Remember that license plate was a California license?
It's this one.
That's the same one?
I'm officially registered here.
Well, you changed your license plate.
I had to.
It's
They
the
tell-
same one.
Yeah, it's the same one. Yeah.
I think I said to Sally, it looks like the same car, but I went and looked at the plate. No, it's different.
No, yeah. Now
Now you're here.
I'm
You moved
officially-
here.
Yeah, that's what it
Oh,
was.
good. Oh, it's such a cool plate.
Yeah.
Subaruh.
Yeah.
Subaru.
Just keep it.
Subaru. Oh, yeah.
But then we just vinyl that
And that's
one,
a
man.
vinyl wrap. I'm going to
Yeah.
go take a close look.
Get up, get down with the bass and sound. Bass and sound. Get up, get down. Get up, get down. Get up, get down with the bass and sound. Get up, down with the bass and sound. Get up, get down with the bass and sound. Get up, down with the bass and sound. Get up, down with the bass and sound.
think you bought the ones for the Forester. Or did it fit?
Punch her in the throat.
Wrong model. What the fuck? See, that's what it was doing to me, bro. Fuck you, Subi Speed.
What is this shit?
That just guides it to the
No,
thing.
I'm saying Subi Speed can't make.
Oh yeah, I know, yeah. You gotta improvise. Now you gotta make sure you get dead center though. Cause you want me to hold it? Got him.
Does that look center?
You got no choice, it's already on. Yeah, it looks centered.
Got a choice.
Get